cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe.
Hey guys, it's Tara and welcome back to another video and another super delicious Instant Pot recipe. We've been making comforting fall recipes for the past few weeks you guys have absolutely loved. So today I thought we would make a chicken and rice dish. Both the chicken and the rice are gonna cook at the same time inside of the Instant Pot, so it couldn't get any simpler. I'm gonna be using lentil rice. I've made a recipe using lentil rice before on this channel. I will link it up in the cards in case you missed that episode and you'd like to check it out after this one. But I thought we should use this lentil rice and cook it inside of the Instant Pot. If you don't have lentil rice or you don't wanna use it, you can use any other kind of white rice. So basmati, jasmine, just long grain white rice, any kind that you have, and swap that in instead with the same length of time and it will be amazing. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video, and be sure to click the bell icon. That way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make this super delicious chicken and rice, smash that like button and let's jump right into the video. We're gonna set our Instant Pot to saute on high. Let it heat up and then add a drizzle of avocado oil. I'm adding some shallots. You could also use onion, just diced very finely. Add our chicken. I'm using chicken breasts and I've just cubed it up. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper and our garlic. I didn't want to add the garlic at the beginning because I didn't want it to burn. Now we're gonna add some lemon. I love to zest the lemon directly inside of the pot. If you don't have lemon, you could also use a little bit of dry white wine. That would work really well also. And I'm gonna juice this entire lemon. I love this handheld juicer. I'll link the one I'm using in the description box below. It's super handy. You never have to worry about getting seeds inside of your recipe. Now we're just stirring everything together. And we're gonna add some water. It is really important to scrape the bottom of the pot. You don't want anything stuck on the bottom. This is what we call deglazing the bottom of the pot. Now we're gonna add our trivet and a heat-proof bowl. Add our lentil rice. This is a 1-to-1 ratio, just like with regular rice. You can use either here. Stir it up. Grab our lid, make sure the silicone ring is on. Set it to sealing, high pressure for 5 minutes. I found these miniature zucchini at the grocery store and I thought not only are they super adorable, that they would be delicious. If you can't find these, you can use regular zucchini, any other kind of squash, or any other type of veggie that you love. And I did not want to cook this inside of the Instant Pot with the chicken and the rice because in that length of time, it would have become way too overcooked. If you don't want to cook anything else on the side, you can simply serve the chicken and rice with a side salad and it will be delicious. Over medium heat, add a drizzle of olive oil. I love my always pan. I don't know if you guys have seen these or heard of these. They're all over YouTube and Instagram. Highly recommend it. No, this video is not sponsored. I did an unboxing of this in a video and I will leave that link in the description box below if you'd like to check that out. But it cleans up beautifully, it cooks evenly, heats quickly. I love it. So let's jump right to the zucchini. I like to swirl the pan around so the bottom of the pan gets coated. Now we're gonna add our zucchini. I love this baby zucchini, but use any kind of veggies that you love. Of course, I'm drinking a dry red. And just keep stirring everything around until it's browned beautifully. Now back to our Instant Pot. After 10 minutes of natural pressure, we're gonna perform a quick release, and when the pin drops, we're gonna open the lid to our perfectly cooked recipe. Fluff our lentil rice. This recipe is absolutely perfect for meal prepping. It makes about 3 large servings or 4 medium-sized servings. I made this for work, and every day that I brought it in, all of my coworkers kept saying, "What is that delicious smell?" Heats up perfectly, so incredibly delicious. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about this recipe. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you have a chance to try it. Let me know any recipe ideas you have for a future episode in the comments below. I'm gonna leave a short playlist of some delicious fall recipes on the screen over here if you'd like to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.